Namaskaram. Today we are going to learn Sushma Vyayam for hands. Starting position. Sit with the legs outstretched in front and palms on the floor beside the hip. Head, neck and back should be in straight line. Hand clenching. Sit in the base position or cross leg posture. Close the fingers and make a tight fist with thumb inside. Repeat it 10 times. Inhale at the time of opening and exhale on making the fist.
After 10 rounds, slowly come back to starting position.
Wrist bending. Remain in same starting position. Stretch the arms in front of the body at shoulder level. Keep the arms open and downward and fingers straight throughout the entire practice. Bend the hands backward from the wrist as we are pushing the wall. Bend the hands forward from the wrist so that fingers point to the floor. Keep the elbows straight throughout the practice. Repeat it for 10 times. Inhale with the upward movement and exhale with the forward movement.
After 10 rounds, slowly come back to starting position.
Wrist joint rotation.
Sit in the base position or cross leg posture. Make a fist with the right hand with thumb inside. Slowly rotate the fist about the wrist. Make sure that the palm faces downward throughout the rotation. Practice 10 times clockwise and anti-clockwise. The arms and elbow should remain perfectly straight throughout the practice. Make a large circles as possible. Repeat the same with left fist. Inhale with upward movement and exhale in downward movement. After 10 rounds, slowly come back to starting position.
Elbow bending. Remain in same initial position. Stretch out arms in front of the body at the shoulder level and palms facing upward. Bend the arms at the elbows and touches the fingers to the shoulder. Straighten the arms again. This is 1 round. Repeat for 10 rounds.
After 10 rounds, slowly come back to starting position.
Method 2. Extend the arms sideways at the shoulder level, hands open and palms facing the ceiling. Bend the arms at the elbows and touches the fingers on the shoulder. Again straighten the arms sideways. Repeat it 10 times. Throughout the practice, arms remain parallel to the floor, elbows at the shoulder level. Inhale while stretching the arms, exhale while bending the arms.
After 10 rounds, slowly come back to starting position.
Shoulder socket rotation. Remain in same initial position. Place the fingers on the shoulder. Rotate the shoulders with both elbows at the same time in large circles. Try to touch the elbows in front of the chest on the forward movement and try to touch the ears while moving up. Stretch the arms back in the backward movement and touch the sides in trunk while coming down. Inhale on the upward movement and exhale on the downward movement. Practice slowly 10 times clockwise and anti-clockwise 10 times. Awareness on the breath, mental counting and stretching sensation around the shoulder joints. Benefits: this yogic exercises relieves the strain in the prolonged sitting. It is helpful in cervical spondylitis. It is also good for respiratory and postural muscles.
After 10 rounds, slowly come back to starting position. Namaskaram.